Hi there, thanks for taking the time to take a look at this quick video of RT reporting. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build a three-way forecast, generate insights, as well as do goal setting for your small business clients, all within a couple of minutes by using RT Reporting's centralized advisory platform. The first thing that we're going to get into here is build a three-way forecast. So what you'll do is click on the entity that you'd like to work on, select Forecasts and Rapid Create. As you can see, almost immediately, we've built a three-way forecast for this particular client, all in a matter of seconds. What you'll notice here is the chart of accounts has automatically been mapped. The data will automatically sync every night with Xero as well. And it's good for you now to add in your assumptions and changes for the year ahead. So let's say you wanted to type in some adjustments manually. Perhaps wanted to enter some formulas, kind of like Excel. You also have an audit trail letting you know what the original value was of each cell that you adjust. Alternatively, let's say you wanted to go over to the settings cog here and make some point and click adjustments. Maybe it was increasing this sales line by 10%. Perhaps the client's thinking about raising prices due to inflation. You have a relational input option here to link to accounts, say COGS, a percentage of sales, for example. The unit-based forecasting allows you to apply that assumption as well. And there's a whole range of other ways that you can make adjustments to your forecasts within RT reporting. But the key thing to be aware of here is how incredibly quick and simple it is to use, and how RT reporting deals with a lot of the heavy lifting for you. Now, it is a true three-way forecast, so you do have the profit and loss balance sheet and cash flow being forecasted on here. And it will handle all of your balance sheet items as well. Something to notice, we do have a range of calculators that you can leverage within the app too. So for example, perhaps your client was thinking about taking on a loan. We do have an automated loan calculator scenario here. But without spending too much time in the forecast today, it was really just to get you across the speed and simplicity of the tool. The next place we're going to go is Insights. And this is where you can visualize all of that information for your client. So remember that forecast we just built? You can now visualize and show them how they're tracking on budget to actuals throughout the financial year. You can run comparisons on each separate area. Perhaps you can show them how they're tracking on payments, budget to actuals, their cash flow, their profitability, whatever it may be, you can visualize. If we go back into the income statement, the really cool thing about RT Reporting's insights is you can both visualize and analyze the information. So if we head over to the configuration, we can make adjustments and build out custom reports here. Other areas to be aware of are the KPIs, for example. You can build out custom ratios, custom KPIs for your clients. It's all very quick and easy, and it's all immediately available here for you. There's a whole range of other things to show you around automated descriptions, forecast scenario planning. Perhaps a client is thinking about hiring staff or thinking about purchasing an asset, and you can quickly visualize two forecasts against one another to show them what perhaps may be the best way forward or the implications of making certain decisions on their business. Lastly, one thing to note on Insights is you can fully white label this platform with your logo and your color theme of choice, inviting your clients into the platform, and then they can view all of this information here. Alternatively, you can build out custom PDF management reports and send that to your client on a monthly, quarterly basis. Now, the last feature that I wanted to show you today is our goal setting feature within RT reporting. This has been a really popular feature that you can use to sit down with your clients and set goals for the year ahead with them. And it will really help in terms of helping the client understand what tweaks within their business that they can make and how you, as their strategic advisor, can help them. So the first thing is to sit down and ask them, what are their goals with the business? What is their goal for the year ahead? What's the desired profit that they'd like to be making? As you can see here, the current situation is all automatically brought across from Xero. And you can then show that client in a very simplistic way what tweaking of their key profitability drivers could do for their business, resulting in a substantial improvement overall for their business's profitability. Now, this really helps drive the conversation for you to show them what tweaks they can make to be more profitable, how you can help them, and how you can support them. It will also help with the client start to ask questions and start to get talking around what their goals are and what their plans are going forward. It also really helps the client focus on the upside that can be brought about from making these improvements and not just the price tag of the advisory services that you may be offering. From here, you have a visualization of the improvement that they can make. You have a list of recommendations where you can come in and start to really nuance this for the client and type in the specific pieces of recommendations that you can give them here. And lastly, most importantly, the action list to set up the accountability of who's going to be responsible for what. And this is a great way to get the ball rolling on this client going away and being held accountable and being able to work with you to grow their business. You can type in as many action items as you like. You can then add in minutes of the meetings that you've had, print this all out in a 1 to 2 page report. And it's a really helpful way to get the ball rolling on advisory services. Now, one of the things that may come out of the meeting here is that you're going to go away and build them a budget, or perhaps they're going to start receiving monthly or quarterly management reports from you. And the great thing about RT reporting, as you've seen today, this can all be delivered through your one centralized advisory platform. And if you have any questions around anything that you've seen today, or if you'd like to learn more, please reach out to me. And yeah, I'd love to speak with you.